We're actually recording now. So me and just there. Some for the Sunday evening something from work and stuff. Chin can make permanent.
Damn.
I don't know what I'm gonna buy yet, so red velvet and an Oreo. 3 separate. Yeah, 1 red velvet and an Oreo.
That's it.
Yeah, mine is.
Yeah, this is everybody asks.
Give me that one here. Not enough. That one here, that one here.
What's up? Right now I'm going to pull out my hair. I'm going to start already. So I'm going to just use a scissors and just cut everything. And then I'm just pull it out. So this is my wake up wash. I'm never finished tidying my roommates. So I'm just coming to check in for you guys, let you guys know that I'm trimming out my hair. This only lasts for 2 weeks because of my hair type. It's very, very soft. So that's what's up right now. So yeah, I just finished cut out the hair. This one can cut a little bit more, so I just pull it out now. This gonna be on with a way this year, but anyways, pull it out now and wash my hair because I wash my wig again. So I wear that wig there, that wig here. I might do my hair again next week. Who knows? Depends on how I feel. That's how I do my hair. So yeah. 2 weeks, you know? 2 weeks, got this. 2 weeks. So I just finished pull up my hair. Look at my hair. Look. My hair is coming along, you know. Who is the day ones was here when I had processed cream hair? Let me know in the comment section. But look at this. Look at that. I'm gonna talk to me nice. Talk to me nice, no talk to me nice. So I'm gonna go wash it now. And then now I'm gonna look so long. I cut me the blow dry before the braid, as you guys saw. Blow dries. I feel I just rock it like this for the rest of the day. Don't it? Natural. You know? So yeah. Go pack because I'm gonna be of a babe. The again. So I can change some things for chicken. What is? I think I baked chicken or some. I don't know. So this is what I'm having for dinner right now. So it's good. It's there right now. Now I go to the shop. Me and Babe go to the shop. We're gonna cook again. So follow us to the shop. I hope everybody's doing okay. So I don't know what we're gonna chef up today, but we're gonna chef up something. You understand? You must solve the school in my head. Maybe I go wash. Maybe I wash me here for me. Yeah, I wash me here for me. So yeah, and then we might put on wig tomorrow and go work. It depends on my mood. Yeah, because if I wash my hair go shrink and I can catch up as neat as I want it. So that I have to do. So yeah.
You got 2 more there.
Yeah,
so where do I want shop? What shop?
This is 2.5 meat.
So
That's 2.5.
So guys, rice is on the fire already with salt and butter, and I cut up some seasoning right now. The onion is killing time. I'm mixing sea pepper, garlic, one big hot pepper, babe. I cut up chicken around this so that's a one pound. What's a one, you know. I have a cutting board, so I don't know. I'm used to cutting board, guys. So I have to go and rack it. So
I cut up the chicken to boy.
I tell you, man.
I do the chicken hard.
Yeah, so the shops have got darling.
Me hungry, hurry up.
guys, me use some browning, and then I put the browning and with all the seasoning, and then something there. Then I mix it up, and then so guys, I drop the skin, and I forget some oil like last time.
The pot skin pot. The pot is dry, nothing hot in the pot. Don't listen to the freezing oil. Warm oil, you know, don't clean down food oil. Warm oil, guys. So don't think we don't have oil. We have oil, but we just choose not to use it. So, yeah, so that can confirm for another day. So, yeah, when oil is in, I'll come back and show you what I got out of the can pot. Okay?
Yeah, come. Beard just don't wash my ear. Could you like get curls and all these things? Yeah, one and food done. So you know some good up mother-in-law show chin food, you know. Then after I'm gonna show you chin plate. You see? Yeah. But this is a part of kill myself. So get beard and nice, eat my food and go sleep and call it a day and cuddle. Call it a day. So I might just can't wait and put on my wig tomorrow, but let's just see what they know. The regular brown stew and rice. China go home to be bright so. So we are catching at the bus stop now. So we just had a good time or whatever. Chin said she's not coming at the vlogs today. Oh, she's here. She said she's not really long coming at the vlogs them tonight, so I'm not really sure. But that's what's up. Put her power on us. My baby did on video. So that's what's up.